High atop a glacial hillside in McCall, Idaho, the ascent of 15 meters above the valley floor marks a distinct transition. Here, the street falls away and gives way to a canopy of ancient ponderosa pines that have quietly anchored the landscape for centuries. Designed and built by Pennington of Altruist, the architecture is intentionally submissive to this environment. Rather than carving out the hillside, the structures step gracefully with the terrain, allowing tree trunks to pierce elevated decks while native planting runs freely underneath. Large expanses of east and west-facing glazing transform the slender layout into a living sundial, where the shifting mountain light, prevailing breezes, and the heavy scent of pine dictate the atmosphere of the retreat. The project represents a deep alignment of vision and execution, born from a philosophy where the designer is also the one covered in sawdust. The structural language marries the honest utility of Idaho's historic mining towns with the calm intentionality of Japanese architecture. This intersection of East meets High West is realized through the use of cross-laminated timber, CLT, to reinterpret the traditional log cabin, providing an engineered precision that respects the natural grain of the wood. The exterior envelope is highly specialized for the harsh alpine climate, utilizing metal roofing, breathing cedar rain screens, and steel substructures that lift the main floors safely above the winter snow and seasonal meltwater. At its core, the retreat functions as a high-performance prototype for sustainable mountain living, utilizing passive house principles without relying on complex gadgets. The massed timber shell, triple-pane windows, and continuous insulation ensure structural airtightness and thermal stability against deep winters and high-altitude summers, while a dedicated ventilation system filters out seasonal wildfire smoke. Built largely by hand alongside a local crew who learned the nuances of CLT on-site, the process evolved from a standard development into a meaningful calling. Ultimately, the project seeks to prove that high performance, regional craft, and material restraint can coexist, offering a more thoughtful path forward for architecture in the region.